हे माय लवलीज, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक ब्राउन न्यूड मेकअप लुक शेयर करने वाली हूँ, जो लुक आप लोग कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हैं, चाहे डेट हो, ऑफिस पार्टी हो या एनी ओकेजन। और मैं आज काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स भी यूज़ करने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द ट्यूटोरियल पार्ट। सो एट द वेरी बिगिनिंग मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ ईबा का ये इंस्टेंट ग्लो प्री मेकअप सीरम। इट्स अ 24 कैरेट गोल्ड सीरम जो हाइड्रेट करता है, प्राइम करता है और एक ग्लास ग्लो इफेक्ट प्रोवाइड करता है फेस पे। And for the moisturizer, here I'm using Minimalist moisturizer. It moisturizes my skin so well. And here I'm using Swiss Beauty Flawless Complexion Foundation in the shade Medium Pale. This is Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 06. For the cream blush, here I am using Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick in the shade 15 Pink Up. To set the whole base, here I am using Inside Cosmetics HD Finishing Loose Powder. And for the bronzer, here I am using Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. Adding some glow on my face by using this one of the favorite Maybelline highlighter. Using the same bronzer shade as my eyeshadow. Now adding some shimmer. For the mascara, here I am using Sugar's newly launched mascara. This is a really everyday mascara. You can definitely go for it. I will be adding all the product links below in the description box. You can check out that. Now using my favorite brown lip shade. This is from Swiss Beauty. It is Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick in the shade Cute Nude. And here's the final look, guys. I have used Swiss Beauty setting mist to set my whole base, but forgot to record that. Really sorry for that. मेरा बेस काफ़ी यहाँ पे आप लोग को मैट लग रहा होगा एंड काफ़ी लाइट वेट भी है एंड आई रियली लव दिस लुक। आप लोग इस लुक को कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो ऑनेस्टली।
So that's it for today. Hope you guys really like this video, like this look, and I'm sure you guys gonna recreate this look. If you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me in your post. I'd love to see your recreations. So you can do this makeup for your date night because it's very subtle and nude. Also you can do it for your brunch date or any occasion with heavy jewelries वगैरह, because आजकल ज़्यादा heavy makeup का fashion नहीं है उतना. So this is perfect for any occasion or any date or any purpose, right? So do like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep loving me, keep blessing me, and keep following me. So bye bye guys, see you soon.